Good morning. Going to start my day at the Ventura Harbor Ecological Reserve, where I'm going to check on a geocache that I disabled when I had 2 DNFs. Then going to go up to Arroyo Verde Park, where I set a geocache about 6 weeks ago, and I want to check on it to make sure it's still there before I submit it for review. If that sounds like a couple minutes of fun to you, come join me. The Ventura Harbor Wetlands Ecological Reserve is a 20-acre site. Trails circle 3 scenic ponds. It is habitat for over 200 different species of birds, which attracts birders and others seeking an easy half-mile walk. Geocachers are attracted to the area by the 5 cache types and an adventure lab within the reserve. There are also 3 interactive earth caches and several highly favorited geocaches within Ventura Harbor. And since I'm in the area, I might as well check on any geocaches that I'm going to walk by. That one looks in good shape. In this beautiful setting, I went ahead and gave it a good look, and I could not find it. So I've replaced it. Going to do a little maintenance on the cache page to change the description a little bit. And it's time to go out to Arroyo Verde Park. So let's head that way. I'm here at Arroyo Verde Park. This is a geocache that I set about 6 weeks ago, but there was a proximity issue with a geocache that was on the 30-day notice. So I set it, and now that cache has been archived. Before I submit mine for publication, I want to make sure it's there. So let's take a little walk, about 0.23 miles. The name of the cache is Park 0.26. Wonder where it could be. Yep, been up there for 6 weeks. I guess it's okay. So going to just walk on back. And at this point, just going to tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.